But the best thing is to leave nature. And then you must have also to keep nature as it is, like environmental bodies and all that. You know, we have to use environmental organizations help to keep nature, try not to cut down to the trees, and try not to do open burning and all that. It helps. It helps. But then again, we have people who couldn't care less from it. For money's sake, you know, they destroy the environment. And then do open burning. As people are afraid to the Creator, you must, as far as possible, try to keep nature basic. So what do you do? Join up with the what you call the organizations. What organizations you have to what organization you have to discover environment. Greenpeace, okay, Greenpeace is one of them. But Greenpeace is too problem. It's a big problem. Then they don't have enough support. When gunboat commander was called, they shoot near the Greenpeace. There's one case, no? No, the gunboat came, fired the Greenpeace and tried to furthermore allow them to go down. That's the world to see what is right and what is wrong. But if you can become members of Greenpeace, private bodies, environmental bodies, not only if you join, but you must also remember, you must also start the body. This earth must have a body that will oversee tampering of human beings. I don't know if they have such a body. They don't have. Singapore started off. Yeah, many you people here who are very good and all that. So you start. Have a movement to stop people from tampering. Not like this. Cloning, okay, cloning. I mean, do we agree or not if it comes to human cloning? We have to take it seriously, So this thing is already out. We are talking about changing later, selecting genes, and then cloning.
Hello? Hello?
Huh? Yeah. We have to give it serious thought and we really must think about things that we really sit down and write down the process of tampering with human beings.